Sorry everybody that I had to answer the door. Obviously I had to put on some clothes as well. So yeah, it was a postman. So now I'm doing a different video for you. Please don't forget to write in the comments what other videos would you like for me to do for you, and to give me some ideas of what else you'd like me to do in the video. And soon I'll be doing more DJing stuff, so I hope you're going to like the music I play and how I DJ. And for now we are doing a pose. I'm doing a pose for you with a nice beautiful bra which is here. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next couple of videos. For now I'm doing a pose for you. I hope you like it. Everybody likes my poses, so hopefully you like it too. So if you love this video, please subscribe, and see you in the next couple of videos where I will do other things, other stuff that you might like, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. See you soon. Bye. Bye bye. Kiss for everybody.